Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel Glamour with Tanya. Today I will show you a non-sponsored review of Pond's Light Moisturizing Cream. So if you are new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and without any delay, let's get started. So this is the packaging of Pond's Light Moisturizer. You can see it, guys. And this is 360 for 200 ml. I will share the link in my description box. So guys, here is so many ingredients in this product you'll get, but I'll talk about some of the main ingredients. So here you will get niacinamide, glycerin, vitamin E. Glycerin and niacinamide provide deep nourishment to your skin, which is very good food for your skin. So this moisturizer is best for oily skin, combination skin and acne prone skin. And if you have dry skin, then please don't use this product, never. Now I will use some of the product on myself and show you. This is the full packaging of this moisturizer. You can see it, guys. The cream penetrates deep into your skin and feel your skin soft and smooth. And this cream also very lightweight and does not feel sticky on your skin, never. You can see this is not a non-sticky cream. Personally, I really love this cream, really. Actually, I have oily skin. Not oily skin, actually I have a combination skin. So that's why I really love this product. And it's very useful for me. If some of you have already used this product, so please share your thoughts in my comment section. So overall, the product is very good. But personally, I thought the fragrance could have been a bit unique. So that's it for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share my YouTube channel, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Glamour with Tanya. See you. Bye bye. Stay tuned for more videos on my YouTube channel.